is up, Trust You, but it's Trust to Impress, and I am Biggity B-A-C-K back with another video. And in today's video, y'all, I am bringing you another heat damage recovery hairstyle. So you guys know that I have been doing my roller set styles to encourage healthy hair growth on my hair, and I'm not going to call any names, but some of the girlies were saying that my roller set style was too time consuming and the weather is going to ruin it, or my 4C hair would never. So here is literally a roller set in a box sent to me by Wiggins Hair. So thank you, Wiggins Hair, for allowing me to try out this wig. I absolutely love it, and I cannot wait to show you guys how quick and easy the install is. I took it out of the box and put it on my head. Almost. There were a couple of steps in there that I added just to make the lace blend seamlessly and to make the wig overall a little bit more realistic and customized to my liking. But stay tuned if you want to see all of the details about this wig. This wig tutorial is going to be extremely beginner friendly and quick and easy. I took this wig out of the box with pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, a pre-plucked hairline, and pre-styled. It does not get any better than that. Thank you, Wiggins Hair. Of course, I'm going to include all of the details and the link to order this wig down in the description box below. I hope that you enjoy the video and stay tuned for the install. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share out this video. I am going to be starting off this wig tutorial by combing all of my hair down out of a wrap. This is actually an old roller set, and I am going to part my hair straight down the middle. Since the wig is naturally a middle part wig, I am going to leave the part alone so that you guys can see how the hair looks straight out of the box. And I'm going to secure this in a low ponytail. Of course, I would braid my hair down so that it could be as flat as possible if I were going to wear this wig out, but I am just showing you guys this for tutorial purposes. And actually, my hair was very well concealed in this low bun. Now let's get into the package. I love the sturdy box because it did not collapse during shipping, and everything is neatly and snugly packed inside of the box. Let's pull out this wig. And my wig is a small cap size, and it's 24 inches long. They do offer different cap sizes, which is awesome. It comes with lashes, some wig caps, an edge brush, some wig or lace tape, an elastic band, and a storage bag. So now it's time to pull this wig out of the packaging. Now, I'm new at this, so I think it looks pretty awesome. You can see by the look on my face, it's giving real. It's giving scalp. I'm going to remove the hairnet and give you guys a close-up. You can see that the hair is already curled. Now, this is the part that blew my mind. Look at these curls. Like, the curls are actually giving. As you can see, the knots are bleached. They're still somewhat visible, but they are a light color. And the hairline looked very natural. You can see the inside of the cap construction here. There is a 7x4-inch lace at the front. And then all of the tracks are sewn into a sturdy, thick cap that is breathable. There are some combs sewn into this wig as well. And the elastic band for wearing the hair as a glueless wig is already installed, which I love. At this point, I'm giving the wig a quick try on just so I can assess what I'm working with and if there are going to be any adjustments that I need to make. So this is what the wig looks like straight out of the box and straight on my head. No styling, no combing, no brushing. And to be honest, my hair under the wig is not even completely prepped properly at this point. So the wig does look good this way. However, there are some changes and adjustments that I would like to make. Here I am combing out the hair and just assessing how beautifully these curls are combing out, because How, Wiggins, did you ship me salon fresh curls in a box? It is beautiful and I absolutely love it. Okay, so this was supposed to be a voiceover, but I have to say, wow. Wow. Y'all, this hair is really, like the curls of this hair is really giving fresh out the salon. I'm not a wig girly. I'm not a weave girly. I have had sew-ins. And I can tell you the softness of the hair and the bounce and the curl of the hair is giving fresh out of the salon. Just got a sew-in, baby. Tint this. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Should I? Oh yeah, I definitely want to press this. Okay, so you see how the hair is kind of like back. I'm gonna try to press it this direction. The only thing I don't like about this hair is that there's no layers and dimension. So I think I need to add that. So let's try it out. Now, this is a tutorial because I was working with a beautiful product and everything worked out in the end. However, I told you guys from the beginning that I am not a wig girly and I do not know what I'm doing. Though I may not be a wig expert, I am an expert on what looks good when it comes to hair, and I am very particular about what I put on my head and what I wear on my head. And with that being said, girl, let's slick these edges down because my hair was looking frizzy under that lace. I am using my favorite gel and the tool that was sent to me with this wig. Then I am going to use the melting band to tie my edges down. And yes, I realize that this is supposed to be used to melt the lace into the scalp, but I'm not going to need that because this is a glueless wig and I'm showing you what the lace tint looks like that I'm using, and I'm just going to put a thin layer of that all over the lace to blend. Okay, you guys, so this part is for the beginners because I just taught myself this. You have to flip your lace inside out, like the front part of the wig is inside out. I'm going to take the lace, place it towards the front of my head, then pull this band back around the back of my head, flip this over, and then position my lace. Ooh, girl. And then we're gonna slide this. Oh my gosh, it matches so well. I'm about to start wearing wigs, just know. I'm thinking no baby hairs. Y'all let me know down in the comments what you think, but I'm thinking no baby hairs. Now I'm going to continue with my process of attempting to make the wig look as realistic as possible by flattening out the part just a little bit. Now, by my research, the best thing to do for this is to use a hot comb and possibly a wax stick. However, I broke my hot comb, so I am using this pencil flat iron, and honestly, you guys, it did the job because it got the part flat and it got the hair moving in the direction that I wanted it to be in to mimic my natural hair, but it also did leave a natural lift at the root, which I think pairs very well with the ends having so much body. Flat iron did make the shorter pieces stick out in the part of the wig since I did not use a wax stick, but I am going to remedy that by using a foaming setting spray, just a light amount, to lay down those flyaways without giving the hair a heavy product look. Now, to me personally, full density all the way to the front of the head just gives wig to me, no matter how natural the lace looks, and I do not like it. So I'm going in and just adding a little bit of natural layering. I tried not to cut the wig as much as possible, but still give a beautiful product. So this step is definitely optional. Before I wear this wig out, I will definitely go in and add more layering all the way around throughout the wig, because I love a good layered look with curls and I love a nice natural look. So you can see just that little bit of wispiness around my face has created a more natural and light, airy look to this hair. Ah, très bien, j'adore, mademoiselle. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share out this video, and go get you a Wiggins wig. Check down below for all of the details on this wig if you are interested in purchasing. Now, I know you see this wig has me looking good and speaking French, so order your wig today.